Hello, Chef here with some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. What do we have here? We have a sharpening stone on top of my beautiful butcher block. Oh yeah. And at the same time, I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. The sharpening stone. 8,000 grit. This baby's made in Japan. You can't go wrong. I love it. You want to use a lesser grit, I would say, okay, drop it down to a 3,000 or a 1,500. But for quality knives, this is what you need. Here we go. Here's a really nice knife made in Germany. Let's check it out. It's brand new in the box. Let's see just how sharp it is and what's going on with this baby. Okay, this is a Messermeister. It's a German brand. I like it. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. I like the fact it's pretty thick. It's got a nice full tang. It's forged, riveted handles, polished pretty good. This knife will last you forever if you take care of it. So it's brand new. It's sharp, right? Well, let's check it. Piece of paper here. Yeah, it's not that sharp. It's cutting the paper, but not easily. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. The first one is to put the clip on the back of the knife like this. Going to get it through like this right here. This is nice. It doesn't scratch the knife. And this gives me the exact angle I'm looking for. Right there, okay? And then I can follow that angle and repeat through there. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, the sharpening stone should be wet. Well, you're right. It should be wet. So we're going to put a little bit of water right on top like this. Just a little bit. A few drops is all we need. A little bit of water. Okay. Just like that. Now, I've got my angle, and I'm going to go from the back to the front like that. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. Got my angle right there. Okay, I think that knife is sharper. Let's check it out. We're going to wipe it off carefully, very carefully. Okay, no scratches, no damage. It's looking good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper, a little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. And that is the custom-made leather strop. Yeah, you can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now I'm going to check it on the paper. See what we got going on here now. Yep. It's definitely sharper. You can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Score all the products at your sponsor right there. They're having a sale on the knives. You can get the clips, the stones, leather strop. I love it. I use this constantly on my paring knives, boning knives, pocket knives, fillet knives. Makes a great gift. This is only like 20 bucks, I believe. These are a little more, but they're made to last forever, and they do have a lifetime warranty. These I think are like $10, and the stones vary in price. Check it out at your sponsor. Subscribe right there. Smash that like button. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. There's some more cool stuff coming. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5" thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. To apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment, okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.